yourself. So we gonna put it up in there. Look at that stuff. Yeah, get it up in there. Yo, what's up with everybody? Your boy here, Collie Muscle. And I'm jacked and swole as ever. And y'all been begging me all over my social media platform to give y'all some more cooking videos. So here it is. We about to do it today, baby. And this meal right here is by far my favorite meal. And we have the Basmati rice right here, right? And y'all see this top of the line. You gotta go to the, you gotta go to an organic store. You gotta go to an international store or something. Get this. This got flown in from the Netherlands. Yes, it did. Then we got our organic beef right here, grass-fed, right? Then we got some bell peppers. Then we got our here tomato diced, fire roasted, good old tomatoes with some garlic up in it. Yes, it is. Then we got here our garlic. This here got basil, garlic, oregano. This tomato paste, baby. It's going down. Then we got an onion. Let's get to it, baby. Y'all ready? Let's go. Size pot right here. We're going to fill it up with water, a quarter to the top. Then we got our 2 cups of rice right there, right? Then you put it up in there. And then we're going to go tell Siri. Hey, Siri. Hey, Google. Put on a timer for 23 minutes. Hey, Google. Put on a timer for 23 minutes.
Sure, 23 minutes. And that's starting now.
There you go, little hoe. Onion. Got my bell peppers. It's time to get to cutting these things. Now that the dicing is done, it's time to put this stuff in 2 spoons of hot oil. Be careful, all right, you youngsters. I don't want y'all parents calling me up saying that you burnt yourself. So we're gonna put that up in there. Ooh, look at that, boy. Yeah, get it all up in there. Yeah, we're gonna let that saturate. Done after 23 minutes, you bring it over here and you put it in the strainer. And this is the method, man. It took me 60 years to learn, man. It took for me to get my girl from Europe to teach me this, how to cook real rice. I was eating rice ghetto style, hella sticky like y'all be eating. Now I eat it where my rice is individually separated. You see what I'm saying? So cold water. You gotta make sure it cools off, because what happens is the reason y'all eat the rice you eat is it's still cooking when you take it out of the pan. So you want to be careful because it's hot. Done. Perfecto. So now that it's almost done, you want to put your garlic powder in there without garlic powder, not garlic salt, okay? Then we're going to put our cilantro on there. And you know, all of this is at your own discretion, however you see fit. We're going to put the last of this curry on there. Then you stir it. Look at that. Good organic, grass-fed beef. That's the only beef Collie Muscle can eat, baby. You know what I mean? I don't mess with that cheap stuff. Here we go, baby. Here we go. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of this tomato paste up in there, all right? 1, 2, all right? Then with the roasted tomatoes, we're going to put half a can. There we go. Then we're gonna mix all that up in there. Y'all didn't think Collie Muscle could cook regular meals, did you? Now that baby done. Now let me taste it a little bit. Let me taste it. See what we got here. Now let's put it over some rice, baby. All the goodies is done. I give me about a cup and a half of rice up in there. I eyeball it. So I got that much rice up in there. Then I give me that good old organic grass-fed beef. You know what I'm talking about? Not the kind at the grocery store that y'all be buying on manager special and stuff for $2.99. Gotta go to organic spot to get this right back. Oh, I forgot my ketchup. So I got my spinach here. Y'all know I've been trying to eat veggies since I got me a girl from Europe. You know what I mean? I've been trying to eat my veggies and my fruits. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I don't get too excited when I get this food. Oh, you open this shit. So here we go with my spinach. So I'm gonna put me some, you know, just enough to get your boy some vitamins up in there, some nutrients, antioxidants. Then I get my organic Heinz. See that? Y'all can't be getting that regular Heinz, got high fructose corn syrup up in it. You know, I'm trying to teach y'all how to eat healthy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna go in this joint. I'm excited, boy. Come on, man. What other fitness personality, bodybuilder, dude on social media supposed to be jacked? Teaching y'all how to eat, man. Cooking, having fun with you, keep it simple. Nobody highly muscle. That's it. With that, make sure you like this video, subscribe, show it to your mom and grandmama so they can start eating healthy, show it to your uncles, granddaddy, all of them, bro. I love y'all, keep pushing for success, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, baby. Get you swollen, baby. Cut the camera pretty good.
What does it take to be extreme?
Be a part of Team Hyphy. Order your Hyphy Mud and Hyphy Minos today.